Hi guys, what's up? Today's video was supposed to be very different, and no, I'm not prepared, so don't judge my face too much. I'm actually making baked potato right now, and I thought, you know what? I need to start a series called like Cooking with LJ. Cooking chat, food chat. I don't know, but yeah, I feel like I just have to talk about this. I've been getting so many emails, so many Instagram DMs, messages, comments, everything about IGTV. So let's talk about it. Okay, so I'm going to talk about how I feel about IGTV personally, but I'm also going to show you guys me uploading my very first IGTV and kind of walk you through the process of it. If you would like to skip to that point, and if you're just here for like the technical advice, go to this timestamp. Please do not comment. I see you, you're thinking about it, you're going to comment, she talks too much, this is so annoying. The timestamp is right here. So in case you've been living underneath a rock and you haven't heard about it, basically you're able to upload up to hour-long videos on Instagram. Kind of. It's a separate app and there's caveats for that. So me, since I'm just like a commoner and I'm not that important, I am only able to upload 10-minute long videos. But some of these like verified accounts, those creators are able to upload up to an hour, allegedly. It is a separate app, so you actually have to go into the App Store and download IGTV. I know a lot of people are having trouble finding it. You just might not have the update yet. So make sure that your phone is all updated and all that. And I had it immediately. Like I had it the second that I heard about it. So I don't know if they're phasing it out. I don't know. I never know how this stuff works. It's linked to your Instagram account. So when you log into Instagram now, there's like this orange, it's lit up since it's a new feature. It's like a little orange, almost looks like the Facebook Messenger icon to me. And if you click on that, it brings you over to the app and you'll be able to see kind of the long form content. Now, the major thing that I'm really upset about with IGTV, besides the fact that we can't monetize, I'll talk about that in a second, is that it's vertical video. And I know that that is really popular. I know especially for like Gen Z and the younger millennials who really grew up with Snapchat and Instagram stories, that's super natural to them. But for somebody old, just kidding, like me, I just can't get used to it. You know, I love a wide angle. I like to see what's going on in the background. I like it, you know? And so it's a little bit difficult for me as a creator too, to figure out how to film that. Like, do I have to film it on my phone or I'm gonna have to rotate my camera? It's just not ideal for me. Major thing for influencers or creators is you can't monetize. So as I'm sure a lot of you guys understand, I'm getting paid technically for this video. No, I'm not getting paid $1,000, $5,000, but I'm getting paid a very small amount of Google AdSense money because ads are running next to my videos over here or there, wherever the heck they are. IGTV doesn't have that option, although of course you can build relationships with potential sponsors, but you're not gonna get paid just for uploading and getting views on your video. So that's a downfall. It also doesn't have ads yet though, so that is a plus side, but we all know that that's going to come, so it's only a matter of time before they figure that all out. But who knows, if, you know, they're owned by Facebook and Facebook doesn't pay you to upload videos, so we could very well never get that. So that's my major concern with it. A lot of people are just asking me, you know, should I do it? Are you going to do it? So long story short, I am going to do it. I uploaded my first IGTV, as you guys are going to see in this video, but I'll make sure to link it down below if you want to check it out. I would love it if you did and like gave me your feedback and whatever. But I'm just going to test it out. I'm not committing to anything. You don't need to spread yourself too thin. This is true for any social media channel, is like you don't need to be on every single social media channel just because they exist. Choose the ones that make the most sense for you. So I'm testing it. I'm going to see how my audience responds to it and I'm going to evaluate things. And if people just love it and flock to it, well then cool. If not, then I'll probably do maybe like quarterly videos or videos when I really feel like it. The other thing I want to say is just make sure to be really strategic with it too. I think I've seen a lot of people just messing around with it, which is understandable in the beginning, but don't just upload like what you would upload to your Instagram stories or upload to, you know, Snapchat. Make sure that it's content specifically produced for IGTV. It is TV after all, which makes me feel like they really want it to be curated and, you know, high quality. So if I do decide to do both, you know, my thoughts were maybe I'll do behind the scenes of my podcast. So my podcast is coming back on July 9th, whatever the first Friday in July is. Big announcement here. It'll be back then. Every Friday I'll be doing a new episode. So I thought maybe I'll do like behind the scenes or like in depth, a little bit more in depth on whatever topic I was talking about. Maybe IGTV would be a good place for that. So I'm not overloading you guys with podcast stuff. Maybe I'll keep it for the personal stuff and just do like personal Q&As. Maybe I'll do like my beauty and fashion stuff because I do like that stuff to an extent. So maybe I'll use IGTV for that. Make sure it's something different than what you're already uploading. You don't want to just take a YouTube video and upload it onto IGTV because one, the format's not going to be optimized for that, and two, it's just what's going to make people want to follow you on both places? You know, I want to use this as an extension of my YouTube and not a replacement. And that's my personal feelings on it. I know everybody is feeling different ways. I think that this is an amazing opportunity for those of you who may have an Instagram following, however big or small, but haven't branched out to another platform like a blog or like YouTube yet, because it is really challenging now to get started on a platform like YouTube from nothing. It's definitely pretty challenging. So I think that this could be a definite benefit for you guys, especially, I mean, some of these Instagram accounts have like a lot of followers and nothing on other platforms yet. But right now it just doesn't have a huge business benefit for me, considering I can't monetize it. It's also just not discoverable. YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the web. My camera just died, so things are gonna look different now. But anyway, you can add links. I think I was incorrect when I said that you couldn't add links. You can add links that are clickable to your videos. So that could definitely be a game changer, especially for us little guys who can't use the swipe up feature and who can't really, like, it's difficult for me to sell my courses and to even sell certain videos and things via Instagram because I only have that main place in my bio link. There are obviously like Linktree and like Tap Bio and like other ways that you can get links, but this is kind of a game changer. So for that stuff, I think it could be cool, a great way to connect with your audience. Again, I think that I might use it for like podcast stuff because it will be a great way to like link to my courses and my coaching sessions and things that I actually want to sell. But we'll see, you know, or even the full length episodes of the podcast. I don't know. I think it has great opportunity. I'm just a little bit pessimistic about it only because of the fact that we can't monetize through Google, you know, which is a bummer. And just because I feel like it's another thing that we have to think about now. And as somebody who does this for a living, I'm like, oh my gosh, like all the accounts that I manage, do I need to come up with a strategy for all the work that I do and, you know, all the clients that I take? Like for IGTV now, there's already stories and like just so much. So I don't know. I think it's a great opportunity and I'm gonna roll with it. But what I was trying to say before my camera cut out is, you know, don't just hop on it and just like commit to it. Do it strategically, see what your audience thinks. I'm gonna kind of pull my audience and say, hey, like, are you into this? Do you like it? Do you like the vertical video? Let me know and take it from there. So don't feel overwhelmed and don't feel like you have to upload every day onto it or anything like that. But you know, we'll see where it goes. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually do it. It's super easy. And then you guys can watch my first video if you'd like. It'll be linked in the description box. Either way, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I do update there quite a bit. It's _ajourneyeast_. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I have a vlog coming up for you guys soon. I was gonna upload it today, but I feel like this news was just pretty important. I know there's way more important, serious things going on in the world right now, but you know, this channel is about social media and freelancing, and so I thought that this was relevant. So anyway, new vlog will be coming in a couple days. Maybe I'll upload on Sunday. Let's say that. Yeah? Okay. See you guys soon. Bye.
So it appears that it's not letting me screen record anybody else's IGTV episodes, so it's kind of hard to explain how I got to this point, but basically if you're watching somebody else's stream or whatever you call it, IGTV, it's going to prompt you to upload your own. So once you press upload, all you do is pull from your camera roll, and then you can change the thumbnail or whatever they're calling it, the cover photo, either by choosing a frame from your video or by choosing an actual file. So just like YouTube, you'll be able to upload thumbnails to this, or if you just want to do things quicker and on the fly, you can use just a still. Once you find your cover, you can then put in your title and your description. So in your description, you can add links. And again, since it's not letting me record anybody else's IGTV, it's a little irritating because I can't show you where you find them. But in the top left corner, once this is live, there's going to be like a little arrow similar to the arrow that is up there while you're typing things out up in the top left. You're going to push on that, and then it's going to drop down the description box. And all of these links that I'm putting in here are actually going to be clickable, which is really cool. So I can link out to other things like my website, my podcasts, my YouTube, and all of that. And then you're just going to press publish. And you can also have the option to publish to your Facebook page as well at the same time. So that's pretty much it. It's super easy and straightforward to do. Everything gets pulled in from your Instagram. So like your bio and all of that just is pulled in from your Instagram. So you don't need to do anything different. Yeah, that's all there is to it.
Oh my gosh, I gotta get my potato. I gotta show you guys my potato. Okay, I know this doesn't look incredible, but you guys, it really is. You gotta try this cashew cheese. It's so good. It tastes better than sour cream, and it's vegan, and it's herby. And then I just use the Smart whatever Earth Balance margarine fake butter, vegan butter, put some salt and pepper on it. Delectable.